Your institution is a member of XBRL US, and that means you're connected to a number of significant benefits. It gives you and your students digital access to over 10 years of historical, as reported financial data for research and classroom projects. XBRL US members get regular communications keeping you on top of trends in corporate and government reporting, data-related legislation, technology, data science, and accounting disclosure in the U.S. and abroad. And networking opportunities with professionals at other schools and organizations present opportunities for collaboration or bringing the practitioner's perspective to your classroom. XBRL US is a not-for-profit consortium. Together with a diverse group of members representing accounting, software development, and data analysis, we support the implementation and adoption of a standard for digital business reporting through the development of taxonomies built according to the XBRL specification, also known as a standard. XBRL, which stands for Extensible Business Reporting Language, is like XML in many ways. XBRL includes enhancements for accounting that supports context like periods and units, and data relationships more complex than simple parent-child hierarchies. The global XBRL standard is to digital business reporting what the International Plumbing Code is to plumbers. It provides a freely available, industry-developed and agreed-upon prescriptive foundation that ensures unambiguous, effective, and efficient flow of information. XBRL taxonomies are used by more than 180 regulatory programs around the world. In 2022, every company reporting to a European Union country regulator will be reporting their financials using the XBRL standard. XBRL can be created in multiple formats, including XML, JSON, HTML, and even CSV. When prepared as inline XBRL and HTML, the metadata for facts coded into the file can be displayed by a web browser. In the US, XBRL is used for data collection at the federal level by the FDIC, the SEC, and now the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission, known as FERC. These agencies have each collected or converted more than 10 years of freely available as-filed banking call reports and public company financial data in XBRL. Other federal agencies, as well as state and municipal governments and industry groups, are also exploring XBRL programs to improve their own access to timely, automated data. The digital-first transformation for business reporting is well underway, making your institution's XBRL US membership more important to you and your students than ever. We maintain a database of public company and public utility filings submitted as XBRL. Our database is updated in near real time throughout each weekday as the latest reports are filed, so you and your students can use the most current as-filed data for analysis. In addition to SEC and FERC data, we're adding other sources as we can. Your school's primary contact can request an account for direct access to the database for SQL queries, which could be useful for your scholarly research and other published products. This dataset is available to all faculty and current students who register on our site with their school email account. The login can be used to query our database with an API we've developed that works with Excel and Google Spreadsheet applications. In addition to Excel and Google Sheet extension, we've also posted a few simple spreadsheet templates, as well as Python, R, and PHP code samples to get you and your students started. Your school's membership means that everyone on campus has complete, unrestricted access to our data resource for your research projects, publications, and classroom activities. Not sure how to get started? We're ready to demo these resources or roll up our sleeves to work with you and help meet your educational goals and objectives. In addition to the data, faculty are invited to join or listen in to our volunteer governance committees and working groups, where you can learn about current priorities. On the technical side, volunteers also help with taxonomy modeling guidelines and documentation for software developers. As part of a member organization, you are also encouraged to participate in international technical working groups. The collaborative efforts among competitors is one of the strengths of our organization, resulting in increased use of XBRL in the US. The diverse interests of members also means there's an extensive network of experts who can provide compelling examples of challenges and opportunities in accounting, finance, data science, and other professions to your students, as well as the growing community of academics counted among the XBRL US membership. An important part of our work is getting members introduced, because that's when good things can happen. So let us introduce you and help you introduce your students to accounting and finance in the digital age.